Gravedigger, power! Welcome to Odin's playtime. Hi, kids.
Hi, Odin.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing?
We're gonna crush this chocolate bunny, but I need to control this. And I've lost my controller. Can you help me find it?
Where can it be?
I don't know. Well, right. Let's take right here. That's my controller.
Who buried it there?
I don't know. Look at that imprint.
So we've got the controller, and because it's Easter, we thought we would play a game of can the monster truck crush it? And up for the crushing is this golden chocolate bunny. Do you think the big Gravedigger can crush it?
No.
No or yes?
No.
No. We'll set it up and see if it can. First, we're just going to open up this bunny so we can see it if it does crush. Yeah, we'll just open it up so we can see if this bunny's going to crush.
Let's see if it's...
Not by your foot. See if you can do it. Nope, the bunny's still intact.
Gravedigger, power!
So the Gravedigger could crush the bunny.
That bunny hated it. Bunny. Gravedigger just demolished this. Look what Gravedigger got. Down. Bunny chocolate teeth in it. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm here, this. Hey,
That piece is completely crushed now. It's just this big bit left. It's all crushed. It looks like Big Gravedigger can crush the chocolate bunny. So we have one final test for Gravedigger. Can Gravedigger crush Odin? Do you think he's going to crush you?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's go. Ready, set, go! Kids, I have so many cool videos. Like, web on blue right here.